Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a well-designed income earner in the sought-after community of Rhyne Park. The original structure has been complemented by a stylish addition of two well-designed bedroom apartments, with each apartment having their own entrance and facilities, resulting in a house with three different income units if you so desire. It can easily also be a one-family residence. Rhyne Park is located right off the elegant corridor and is just 15 minutes from the Sangsters International Airport. The land area of this house is 3,476 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.